From a tabletop position, walk your hands out about 6 inches, palms on the floor. Press through all 10 fingers in the palms to create a strong foundation. From here, press through the palms, lifting the knees, lifting the hips up and back. The legs are working towards straight, and the soles of the feet are on or working towards the floor. The inner and outer feet are pressing equally. Roll your triceps and biceps in and up slightly and your shoulder blades down your back. Pad your legs out in this first downward dog. Keep the upper arms stretching up into the shoulders and your hips up towards the sky. Now create space between your shoulder blades, moving your collarbones away from each other. The lower ribs are down and in. Now from here, lift your heels high in the air and bend the knees. Keep the butt in the air as high as you can get it, and keep the knees very bent. Now stretch the top shoulder blades toward the base of the shoulder blades so the chest comes closer to the thighs. And without changing any of this upper body work, straighten the legs a little more. Don't let the chest come forward. Move the hamstring muscles up and move the calf muscles down towards the feet. Good. A couple more inhales and exhales here. Smooth, steady inhale. Smooth, steady exhale. When you're ready, gently releasing the posture by walking the hands back.